Hi there, I'm Saul Reisman here at Saul's Automotive, and today we're going to talk about some of the service aspects of this industry that some people don't think about. One of the most common calls that we get when somebody's trying to schedule an appointment for their vehicle is asking what time works best with their work schedule so that they don't miss out on anything they need to with family, work, or anything associated. From our end, we operate 365 days a year because we know you drive your car 365 days a year. While we're only open to the public from 8 in the morning until 6 in the evening, we actually start service as early as 4 a.m. so that we can get things moving quickly and help get you back on the road the same day. We accept vehicles 24 hours a day, 365 days a year through our key drop box. And last but not least, when you call us and say, I need to bring my vehicle in, we're happy to have our shuttle drivers get you a ride anywhere you need to be. Now, we often hear people say when we tell them that, well, how far does he go? The answer is, however far you need to go. All the time people will tell us they've been told a shuttle only goes 2 miles or only 10 minutes or a certain distance. You did us a service by letting us service your vehicle. We would like to extend the same customer service aspect to you by getting you a ride anywhere you need to be. And if that means our driver needs to take you 200 miles to Telluride, or 90 miles to Granby, or 100 miles out to Greeley, those are all places we were just this week to get people taken care of. At the same time, if we can't get you where you need to be in the time frame, if you need to get a ride when our driver's not available, or you need service when we currently are servicing your vehicle, we reimburse for Uber and LYFT, full cost, no questions asked. We're trying to make sure that your vehicle is out of service the smallest time possible, back under you as quickly as it can be, and keeping you reliable and consistent. The last aspect of keeping you reliable and consistent is a rental vehicle. Now, a lot of the local rental companies don't want to partner with small shops. They say, we only want to partner with shops that are doing bodywork for insurance companies because we know we're going to get paid. Well, we went ahead and we partnered with Enterprise and Budget. We literally put our credit card on file so that they can get a rental to you anytime you need. We don't want to ever have you be without your wheels. Our goal is to keep them moving as quick as possible, and that's one of the ways that we're going to keep you moving. If you've got concerns about your vehicle, but you're worried about downtime, give us a call. We answer the phone round the clock. You can get us via email or Yelp at any time of day. We'd be happy to help. 303-919-7769. This is Saul's Automotive. This is what we do.